Namaste, good morning, dear friends. This is me, geometric engineer Vishnu Atreya. I have been working in this field for 10 years. This is my first YouTube video. It is dedicated to all those my students who inspire me to make this one. This video will give you the basic idea of using ArcGIS software of ESRI. Let's go to yes. ArcGIS is a platform for organization to create, manage, share and analyze spatial data. It consists of several components, mobile and desktop applications and developers tool. This platform can be deployed on premises or in the cloud with ArcGIS Enterprise or used via ArcGIS Online, which is hosted and managed by ESRI. Some desktop applications are as follows: ArcCatlog, ArcMap, ArcGIS, ArcGlobe. Introduction to ArcCatlog. ArcCatlog is a software designed to fulfill a twofold purpose. First, to manage, access and explore existing geographic data, irrespective of the format in which the data is stored or its location. Secondly, change the structure of data. Structure means creating new database, load existing spatial data into geodatabase and add fields in the table. This is interface of ArcCatlog software. Menu, standard toolbars, location toolbar are mentioned here. This is catalog tree. This is directory of the file. This is canvas of the software, which includes content, preview and description button. In contents button we can see the different types of spatial data, but here all files are shape file. It may contain geodatabase, spatial feature class, spatial data sets, feature class, topological data sets, network data sets, some raster data sets, some table data sets, so many data sets or CAD data sets and so on. In preview menu we can see the data in graphical or tabular format. That graphical is the spatial format, geographical format, and in table is the attribute of the same spatial data. And this description is in description it contains the metadata of the file. For example, this is spatial graphical representation of one file, on SHP file, shape file. The name of the file is admin.ar. we can see in ArcCatlog platform. This is ArcCatlog interface. This is here geography. This is geographical representation. This is the graphical representation of the spatial data, and this is the attribute. Here is table, attribute information of the same data. And next is description. In the description, this is the metadata of the data we can see in ArcCatlog software. Let's go through ArcCatlog. You can go ArcCatlog from here, CIARC CET. Yeah, you can go through this. Since it takes time to open, so I made ready here. Contents. In contents, we can see the file which are stored in the given directory. Here this is catalog tree with ngii and this 100k folder. There this data, this is like a folder. In preview, suppose let's go to content again, and I did not select anything, that's why it does not have anything. Let's select admin AR SHP and go to preview. Yes, we can see the graphical representation of admin.ar file was formatted .shp, and preview is in geography. If we go to table, we see the attribute of the each polygon. This whole polygon contains small polygon. A unit polygon have one record. This line is called record, this whole line is record, and this line is called field. One polygon have one record, and one record have so many information that we call field. This is description tab. In description tab, we can see the metadata of this file. Metadata means data about data, information about the file. For example, who made this file, what is the format of this file, what is the spatial reference of this file, what are the legal status of this file. Yes, if we go to edit, and we can edit the information about this file: tag, summary, abstract, credit. For example, I wrote tag something something, summary of purpose something something. This is something something. Credit means copyright something something. Zoom level up for how much, up to how much scale, like this. If we save this, I don't like to save because it is not meaningful. If I save this, we can see the attribute, not attribute, we can see the metadata of this file. Since it contains nothing, I go to exit. Summary does not contain anything, description does not contain anything, extent does not contain anything, and so on. This tab is about metadata. So ArcCatlog is software to manage spatial data, to create geodatabase, to explore geodatabase, to create geodatabase, to manage geodatabase. It is not analytical tool, but it is like a DBMS, that is database management system. Let's go through. ArcCatlog is also gateway of ArcMap. We go to ArcMap from here also, but now let's go to introduction to ArcMap. ArcMap is a desktop application for all map-based tasks, including cartography, map analysis, editing. With this software, we symbolize, make selection, create and present the data. Some terms that I telling now, such as spatial data, attribute data, cartography, spatial reference and other and so on. I think these terms are already known for you. If this video is designed for practical approach, if theoretical approach is also required for you, I will make other video for this. Let's see some data in ArcMap interface. As I told already, ArcCatlog is gateway of ArcGIS also, so we can go ArcGIS from here also, or we can go through here also. It takes time to open, so I make ready. I will open this now. Let's see the same data in ArcMap interface. Yes, as I like ArcCatlog interface, this is menu, these are toolbars, standard toolbars, and there are so many toolbars. If we right click there and on this, we can on this geocoding toolbar. So computer is too slow, sorry for this. And this is table of content, this is canvas. We can see geographical information here. We can see the layers here, and I am to close this geocoding tool. Yes, from here we can add spatial or attribute data. Let's go through this. Let's add the same data. admin.ar. Yes, we can change color property. Do not go through like this. We can just double click here and change color. And we can see the individual attribute by this eye. Here this polygon is decode 45, name Mustang, this is the Mustang district, and this lies in Western Development Region, and Z code 9 and so on. We can add other record from ArcCatlog from table also. So we can see this polygons informations. This is Humla district and this is Dang district and so on, and we can see all table through this attribute table. Just right click here, right click, open attribute table. You can see the attribute of this table. This is zoom in, this is zoom out, this is pan, this is zoom to extend, these are full zoom, and this is zoom out, this is selection, this is not. Let's select any polygon. Yes, I select this polygon. So let's go to open attribute table. We go to open attribute table, then the selected polygon is this Western Development Region. This is Ganda and Kaski district. This is Kaski district. and we can select from here, that is Lalitpur district. We see the Lalitpur district here, and there are two view. This is data view, this is layout view. Data view is working view and layout view is the map making layout view. This is printing view. So we see the same data in ArcCatlog and ArcGIS interface. In next video I will make how to create geodatabase. Now you know how to explore spatial data, but in next video you will know how to create geodatabase, how to load spatial data into you design spatial you design you have designed that geodatabase and other spatial data into this geodatabase, and how to add table into the spatial data. And in ArcMap